How's it going, everybody? It's Connor here. So like a lot of people at the minute, I'm working from home, okay, which requires copious amounts of coffee because I can't get to the local coffee shops anymore. So I usually use just the French press in the morning time. That's the wee plunger jobby, and it makes a good cup of coffee. You know, like it does my purpose, does my needs. But I got sent some lovely coffee from Drip Coffee subscriptions, 2 bags, and one from local White Star Coffee and another from a Glasgow one, Deer Green. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the methods that they've suggested on the little card that I got with it, and a little letter. So one that requires V60, one that requires an AeroPress. Now I'm not amazing at using these, to be honest with you. I would use them occasionally at the weekends and stuff, but I wouldn't use them in my everyday life. So I've got all the stuff that's needed for. I don't have the long necked kettle or teapot for that, so I can't do it the proper way. But I'll give a whack at it anyway. But just bear in mind that I'm gonna make a lot of mistakes, and that's okay. But anyway, so I'm gonna do like a little mini taste test of both those and tell you what they taste like, tell you if I like them. If I don't, I'm sure I will love them because they're very good quality coffee. But yeah, hope you enjoy. So this is our makeshift coffee station. That's our Nespresso machine. That's my wee coffee grinder. Got that years ago at Marks and Spencer. It does the job. It's not incredible, but it does a good job. That's all Tina's crap. All the crap coffee. Probably get a bit of backlash for that, but bit of a coffee snob. But nah, it does. She's saying yes. But yeah, these are the ones I got. Obviously from Drip Coffee. You got Deer Green. You get the White Star. So the White Star is apparently best in a V60 here. That's what this is with the wee filter. And then the Deer Green is apparently best served from an AeroPress, which is this jobby. And I'm not great at using that thing there, by the way. So I'm gonna make a fair crack at it. We'll see how we go. And these are my legend little cups. Star Wars and Star Trek, because I'm a complete nerd. White Star first. So first I'm gonna grind the coffee, and it says on the instructions that you fold the paper on the seams, you put 16 grams of the coffee. I don't have scales, so I'm just gonna eyeball it a bit. I quite like strong coffees. It doesn't matter if it's a little bit stronger than usual. And I'm gonna put the grinds into this. I'll probably do about a medium grind. There's medium, coarse and fine on the actual grinder itself. Put that, sort of let it bloom as it says in the instructions for 30 seconds or so, and then pour slowly, and it takes about 3 minutes in total to do the whole process. Time lapse that bit because it was a bit of a grind. Oh jeez, that was a terrible joke. Going to let this bloom. It's been blooming for nearly 30 seconds now. Okay, so time to sort of slowly pour the water on now. Sort of just do that until it starts dripping by. This may take a minute, so I'm going to continue doing this, and then I'll show you the finished product, what it smells like, what it tastes like. Time now for the AeroPress. Okay, I'm gonna make the Deer Green in that. Filter in, you screw it onto the bottom of that. Take obviously the plunger out. Put your coffee in. You're supposed to sort of fill it up to about level 1 or just beyond that. You pour your water in. You press the plunger bit that comes up here down slowly, and it goes into the cup. Fill it up with about 200-250 mils more of water for an Americano sort of style, or just drink it straight like an espresso style. As per the last one, I'm going to do a wee time lapse here because it is very, very boring watching me just doing the grind here. So yep, here we go. Here's my 2 coffees, ready to taste them. And I'll give a little smell first, and then I'll tell you what they taste like. So that's Deer Green, that's the White Star. Okay, so I'll start off with the White Star because I made that a minute or two beforehand, so I don't want to get them too cold. So, oops, just swap a wee bit everywhere there. I can't stop the t-shirt there. Nerd. Smells really good. Because of the sort of fruity notes that they said it was going to be more like, I didn't expect it to be so like smooth smelling, but it's really nice smell. Definitely, like, this may be power of suggestion, but I definitely smell the blueberry, they say, and like sort of a sweetness which could come from the honey that they said it smells like too. But let's test it. That's incredible. You can taste like a blackcurranty taste. They say there's blackcurrant note in it. I swear to God, you can taste a blackcurranty sort of note. So it's very fruity, very floral sort of tasting, but so smooth, not too bitter. Tiny bit of bitterness in it. I'm not a coffee expert, so I sound like a douche here, but it, yeah, it tastes great. And I made it super strong, which I needed today. So I don't have like a palate cleanser that all the faffy experty people say you should use, but sure, on to the next one. Jeez, look at this deal. Okay, so next one, Deer Green. I'm excited about this one because they say it should smell and taste like a Snickers bar, and I love Snickers bars, so we'll see. But I promise you, and I'm not just making this up, it smells like peanuts. So it's less floral, less fruity smelling than the other one, but let's see what it tastes like. If this tastes like a Snickers bar, I'm going to be super impressed. I know Belfast food blogger Connor Hogan's a big fan of this one, so he has said look forward to this one. Oh, it's so hot. Holy shit. Are you actually kidding me? Not even joking, right? Not the caramelly aspect of it, but chocolate and peanuts. It tastes like that, and it's incredible as well. If you like a smoother sort of more sweet coffee, you'll probably like that one better. If you like the more floral sort of notes, the more fruity coffees and things like that, you will like the one. You will like both of them, to be honest with you. But they're both very, very well-rounded coffees. Both great. The guys at Drip, Aiden, selected great brands this time around. Glad he supported a local one in White Star as well. Obviously, the one in Deer Greens in Glasgow is not too far away either, like, but good to support local here. Delicious coffees. If you haven't already, try out the Drip Coffee subscription. Go to both the coffee suppliers, Deer Green and White Star Coffee, if you haven't already too. Support these local businesses, especially we're all going to be staying at home too. You know, it's good to support all local businesses out there, and don't be stuck in. Need a lot of coffee, you know. But hope you enjoyed this video. I was terrible making the coffee, but it still tasted good, so that's all that really matters, isn't it? Stay safe. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel if you're on YouTube watching this too, follow our page if you're watching it on social media too. Any support that you can give to us is very, very appreciated, and I'll see you guys later. See ya.